Have you been experiencing issues with your water heater in Calgary? Are you unsure whether to attempt a DIY repair or call in a professional? In this video, we'll weigh the pros and cons of DIY water heater repair versus hiring a professional in Calgary. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of what option is best for you. If you consider yourself handy and have some experience with plumbing repairs, tackling the water heater repair yourself might be tempting. DIY water heater repairs can save you money and give you a sense of accomplishment. However, it's important to consider a few factors before diving in. Let's explore them. One of the major advantages of DIY water heater repair is cost saving. You won't have to pay for professional services, which can be quite expensive. Additionally, DIY repairs allow you to work at your own pace and schedule. For those who enjoy hands-on projects, this can be a rewarding experience. While DIY repairs may seem appealing, there are some downsides to consider. The first is the risk of causing further damage. Without proper knowledge and experience, you could potentially make the problem worse. Additionally, certain water heater repairs may require specialized tools that you might not have, leading to additional expenses. When it comes to professional water heater repair, hiring a licensed plumber in Calgary is usually the safest option. Professionals have the necessary expertise to diagnose and fix the issue correctly. Let's take a look at the advantages of hiring a professional. One of the biggest benefits of hiring a professional for water heater repair is the assurance of quality work. Professionals have the right tools and knowledge to handle repairs effectively and efficiently. You can also expect them to provide warranties on their work, giving you peace of mind. Furthermore, professionals are familiar with local building codes and regulations, ensuring compliance. The main drawback of professional water heater repair is the cost. Professional services can be more expensive compared to a DIY approach. If you're on a tight budget, this might be a factor to consider. However, it's essential to prioritize safety and the long-term durability of your water heater when making this decision. In summary, whether you choose DIY water heater repair or hire a professional in Calgary, consider your skills, budget, and the complexity of the issue. DIY repairs can offer cost savings and a sense of accomplishment, but they come with the risk of further damage. Professional repairs ensure quality work and compliance, but can be pricier. Ultimately, make the decision that aligns with your capabilities and prioritize the safety and functionality of your water heater.